Are you planning to buy Thrivecart Unlimited plan or checking for any other plan? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'm walking through Thrivecart Unlimited bundle plan in case you are planning to best shopping cart available in the market. So what exactly Thrivecart Unlimited bundle plan is all about? So Thrivecart Unlimited bundle is one-time payment plan offered by Thrivecart. It caters all the features of Thrivecart Standard as well as Thrivecart Pro Plus plan, and on top of that you are getting advanced features. It includes Thrivecart Standard, Thrivecart Pro Plus as well as Thrivecart Learn Plus. Learn Plus is a Thrivecart learning management system. In both of these previous plan, like a Standard and Pro Plus plan, you are getting basic elements, but here you are getting Learn Plus course management system absolutely included in a unlimited bundle. On top of that, you are getting advanced elements. You can do the advanced student elements, rule and trigger segmentation of the students, advanced course analytics. You can watch your course analytics from where your users are coming or what's the progress of your students, something like that. You can also do the team management. On top of that, you can connect your custom domain, multiple course tracks and bundle. You will get all these supports in a Thrivecart Unlimited bundle. You can reward and add a student bonus in your LMS. So this is the key feature. If you are the coach or having a digital product or planning to sell any course, then rather relying on a dedicated course hosting platform like a Podia or the Thinkific or something like that, you can use Thrivecart Unlimited plan where you are getting page builder as well as the card software as well as your advanced Thrivecart Learn Plus in Thrivecart Unlimited bundle. And you can do this kind of a gamification, like you can give rewards and add bonuses in your course. You can tag the students as well as you can do some gated content. That means if you want to showcase only few contents of your page or post to particular subscriber or your users, then you can do that in your unlimited plan. You can also add a timers and can give courses access for, let's say, certain time period. Post that course access will not be available to your customers. Suppose if you want to just enable course access for the 6 month, then you can do that in an unlimited bundle plan. You can import the data of students from the CSV. In terms of the costing, like other plan, Thrivecart Unlimited plan also not costing you any transaction fee. This is a game changer, like other softwares where you need to pay a monthly charges as well as lots of high transaction fee as your business grow. But with Thrivecart Unlimited plan, you need not have to pay any transaction fee and you are getting 365 days 24/7 world class support, and you need to pay just one time $985 fee and then $295 per year from 2 years onwards. This is a no-brainer deal for any shopping cart software. So if you are curious and want to buy Thrivecart, then I have mentioned link in the description below. From that you can click and then land on this Thrivecart page. From that you can click on the pricing plan, Thrivecart Unlimited bundle. As soon as you click on Thrivecart Unlimited plan bundle, you will land on the checkout page where you need to fill all your details, choose your payment information, whether you want to use via credit card or PayPal, then proceed for the payment. So this is what about Thrivecart Unlimited bundle plan. If you have any question, then drop in the comment, like this video, subscribe to the channel so that I can produce a video like this. See you till next video.